everyone, welcome to my video. If you're new here, my name is Paris, and today I will be unboxing not one item, but two items today. What I have here in this bag is one mystery jacket and one Zox wristband. I believe I bought the Da Vinci. Corona is very real, so please stay home and stay with your family, and only go out if you need to for food and stuff like that. Please keep your hands clean with hand sanitizer, soap, washing them continuously. I sprayed down this package as soon as I received it. Been washing my hands constantly, and NTDM has sent out a blurb. I'll put it right here about how they've been keeping their factory more cleaner and ways to help not spread the coronavirus while they are packing their shipment. And that's all I'm going to talk about for the corona. Just stay safe, stay home, wash your hands, and be with your loved ones. Alright, now let's get into it. So what we have in here is the Get the Free T-shirt club here, how it works, and also apparently I could get 2 free months of music, so I'm definitely going to use that. And here's the wristband. Comes in nice little packaging. So NTDM teamed up with Zox to create this wristband, and I have 2 wristbands by Zox already. I'm wearing one right now. Aspire to Inspire wristband right here. And then there's another saying in the inside, aspire to inspire others, and the universe will take note. Zox, and they're a pretty good quality company. I've washed their wristbands many times on accident while washing dishes, and the color holds up. No color fades because it's stitched into it, you know. Alright, so, ooh, this is pretty. This is nice. Okay, so I have a little card. The Vinci Rose Band is the one I bought. Shirts, joggers, and hoodies to go with this wristband. So that's really nice. I'm going to put this on my laptop somehow. Okay, so this is what the band looks like. Very nice, stretchy. And if you flip it on the other side, is when you find the Da Vinci Rose saying on here. So it's nice. I like it. Alright, let's put it on my wrist. That's with the Da Vinci Rose. And flip it around. That's for the dogs. So, that's the wristband. Now on to the jacket. So I got a large, and I normally get a large in their hoodies. So this is what the large looks like. And this is I like this a lot. It's got a black and white stars vibe here. So it's a lot of stars, and it seems like they have the pockets here for the jacket. I've always wanted their jackets. Their jackets look so cool. And also, like, they have the design in the inside of the hoodie. And it's very soft. It feels like the same material on the outside as the inside. Let's see. Oh, wow. So look at the zipper. The zipper is like kind of rubbery. Unzips nice. Has a white in the inside. So it says it's made out of 100% polyester. That seems to be a recurring theme for NTDM. And so there's that. And then they have their logo in the back. So you can see their logo in the arms. It's nice. So I'm going to try them on. I'll take a picture, take a video of it, show you how it looks. But yeah, they look really nice. I may actually try it on right now. This looks really nice. Okay. There's that. Okay. see if it zips. It's the real test. Still plenty of room. It's nice and warm. It's not too thin too. I like it. One thing I do like about Into the AM is their materials are not cheap. This zipper here is high quality, and the stitching on the zipper, look, stitching. I don't think I'm gonna have any problems with this jacket whatsoever for zipping up and zipping down. That's what I've had in the past, where my zippers get stuck and ends up breaking, but I don't think this is gonna happen with this jacket right here. Yeah, I like this side better. But when I do buy the Vinci Roses joggers, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear the roses side. I've been quarantined in my house with my family going on about 16 days. I've been in my room quarantined for 5 days. So I wanted to record this video and give some light to what's going on in the quarantine, some joy. But I also wanted to explain that this is why I'm in this new location. It's my room, and I wanted to still do an unboxing for you guys. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you want me to unbox. Let me know if there's any new website that I've never heard of. Send me a link. Put it in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about the jacket and the bracelet in the comment section. I'm open to any suggestions. Please like and subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Lets me know that there's people watching and that you guys like the content I make. Please stay safe out there. And until next time, I'm out.